What are the things that you're seeing that are missteps that continue to happen to you, but also you see happening across the board in the legal space?
I think people aren't yet fully aware that culture is king now. And look, I'm Gen X, as you are. We are the last generation that effectively had to make our own way. You know, we were the kids that were kicked out on summer vacation at 8 a.m., go play on the 150-degree metal slide and come back at dinner. Like so it was inherent in our upbringing that you got to go get it yourself. Well, that's not the culture now. And because I'm Gen X, I struggled with that. And I still have colleagues, Gen X colleagues and older colleagues who struggle with that, but it's real. Culture is king now. It's not a fad. And you have to provide good talent, a supportive, safe, nurturing environment, because it means more to them than money.
Yeah.
You can be good at your job. I'm really good at what I do now. And I know that right now there are busloads of lawyers who aren't as experienced as I am, aren't as qualified, haven't done as much, who are getting paid more than me. And that's okay. You got to let the income go. I think I got a great culture where I work. That's what's preeminent right now. And people are, especially in the law business, are slow to recognize that.